Okay, idle. Short drive now. Idle in park with the air on. Now with the air off. See, this is always, let's see, slight bit of, yeah, see a couple misfires right there. Yeah, just right, it's like right off idle in park, right off idle, but under load, with the like slight power brake under load, no misfire, fuel trim perfect. Okay, in gear, idling with a little bit more load, and then with the AC on. Off idle, take off, and then I go back, turn the AC off, less load on engine, put it in park with even less load, and then slightly crack the throttle. See if I can get more misfires. It's like a sweet spot to get there, right there. It should be at 2 more. It's like around 1500 under with no load. About 1500 no load. It does it pretty bad there. Right there, yeah. But with load, under load at 1500, none, perfect trims.